I am Keisha Richards, Corporate Communications WASA, at the last Lomas water treatment plant. Let's go meet the production controller, Mr. Ronald Gilland, as he speaks about what is taking place right now. Let's go.
Today we are doing minor maintenance on the plant, on one of the filtration systems. Today we are cleaning the clarifiers. That's one of the key stages in water treatment. Las Lomas is an iron-based plant, iron-based water. That is the area, the water quality iron, high iron content. So we use at the bottom of the clarifier, that was the base of the iron. So we need to discharge the clarifier regularly. It is wise to do it at least twice a year to maintain the quality of the water supply. Alright, as I talk about iron, iron is an iron base, meaning that is a well water. Well means borehole, we drill that on the ground. The ground base of it, the aquifer, is iron base. So it needs routine maintenance to improve the quality of the water supply. Right, I said this is one of the three stages. We have a stage that we did earlier called the irrigation system that breaks the iron content in the water, then the clarifier, then we carry to the last stage, which will be the filter system. Right, this is an annual thing. This thing we have to do this regularly. This is a regular thing to maintain the quality of the water supply.